Today, you and your fellow mandate members in Tesco will commence a national ballot in relation to the Labour Court recommendation issued in February, and also because Tesco are attempting to change contracts of employment without agreement. These ballots are extremely important for your future in Tesco. This time last year, Tesco decided that you are not entitled to a pay increase and many of you would not receive a share bonus. Your union mandate lodged a claim with the Labour Court saying that all workers in Tesco should receive a pay increase and a share bonus payment, and that claim has now been supported by the Labour Court. Despite this, Tesco is now refusing to implement that pay increase for some of you. We must remember that the only reason any Tesco worker will receive a bonus and a pay increase is because we all stood collectively as a union. Worryingly for all Tesco members, the company is also attempting to change contracts of employment for certain Tesco workers without agreement. They have targeted 1,000 of your colleagues for pay cuts of at least 15%, with changes to other conditions of employment that previously were agreed. If Tesco get away with this, it will set a very dangerous precedent, and that is they can change any of your terms and conditions of employment without agreement, and you have to ask what it will mean for you in the future. The current behaviour of management, which is to spread misinformation about this ballot and your union, should be treated with the contempt that it deserves. Mandate has already served a claim for a pay increase for all Tesco workers for 2016, and no doubt the company will be watching to see whether you and your colleagues are prepared to stand together as a collective to ensure, in the first instance, that nobody faces pay cuts, and then to fight for and win pay increases in the future. So the question for you to answer in this ballot is a simple one. Do we stick together and defend all of our conditions of employment, or do we let the company divide and conquer us one group at a time? Mandate is encouraging you to attend your local meetings, stand by each other as a collective, and don't let the company succeed in dividing you so they can increase profits at your expense. Because if they succeed this time, what will they go after next? And remember, together we are stronger.